Hello and namaste, welcome to my channel everyone. I am Nepalese boy. In this video I am showing you how to play YouTube videos in picture mode on iPhone. iOS 14 allows to play YouTube videos in picture mode, but YouTube does not allow to play picture mode. In this video I am showing you YouTube videos are playing on picture mode. So let's get started without getting delayed. First of all, open Safari browser, then search YouTube. After opening YouTube, you need to play any videos in your browser. Open any videos. I am opening the random videos. Here we see the videos are playing on iPhone screen but not picture mode. You need to select full screen videos on iPhone. After selecting full screen, you have several options to play YouTube videos. The top of the corner you saw minus button and picture mode option. Select on picture mode option to play YouTube videos in front of the screen. Play this video. The videos are floating on the screen. If you listening any songs from the YouTube, play the video and minimize it. How to minimize? I am showing you. Watch the video till end. Play this video. After playing this, you need to scroll the edge of the iPhone. After selecting the, you don't need to watch YouTube videos, only listen songs. If you need to watch the video, you need to scroll here from the screen. Now you can resize the video and watch full screen of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Give thumbs up if you like these iPhone features.